Let's add some more content. I thought it might be a good idea to have the NFL Twitter feed available in your bot. So let's go here. So let's create a new blog and let's call it NFL Twitter. We will use the Twitter plugin for this. It's an IFTTT integration. Make sure you are registered on IFTTT. If not, just click the link, register, and then come back to the dashboard. Then copy this link, open the Twitter recipe, let's turn it on. Let's call it, well, Twitter Chatfuel is fine. Enter the Twitter username to watch, and let's paste the link we copied earlier in here. Let's say, let's click save, and your applet is now active. This means IFTTT will now check every 15 minutes or so if there's something new in the NFL Twitter feed, and if it is, it will send it to your bot, and if the user then triggers the blog containing the Twitter plugin, it will show the newest tweets. Let's go back to the dashboard so we can add an actual button to trigger the Twitter plugin. We want it in our menu, so let's go here and let's create a new item. We'll call it NFL News. Let's add an image as well. NFL, here we go. And let's add a button to our Twitter blog. Awesome. Let's also add a way to head back to our main menu in our Twitter blog. Let's just use a text card. Actually, great. That should be it.